Emma Cooper Henderson. Emma Cooper Henderson. She sold my pulled pork and she loved the way I did it in the crock pot. But she sent me an Instant Pot. Never used an Instant Pot before. Instant Pot is something like a pressure cooker. Supposed to make your food cook quicker and faster and things like that. So I'm gonna do a roasted chicken in this Instant Pot. I told her I will do a pulled pork video, but since I just did one, it's gonna be maybe a week or two before I do another one, just to see the difference, how it cook in an Instant Pot versus a slow cooker. But today, I have a chicken, a rotisserie, a 6-pound chicken. I'm going to show you guys how I'm going to cook it in an Instant Pot. I did my research because I never, ever used this thing before. I studied on how to use it. I read the directions, and it's Sunday dinner. It's going to be a roasted chicken, and you guys will see it on the SoulfulT mukbang channel with the soul food I cooked today for everybody: meatloaf, macaroni, sweet potatoes, cabbage, and it's roasted chicken. So let's get started. Okay, Soul Squad, I'm back. This is my Instant Pot. As you can see, it say off, and right here is my chicken. I have it stuffed with red onions and lemons, and I'm gonna season the top with my mixture. You guys see my chicken in? And this is the Instant Pot right here. So the first thing I want to do is that I want to hit saute. Girls, I ain't got my glasses on. This is saute. Hit that saute button. And once I hit the saute button, I'm going to wait for it to say on or hot. Okay, it say on. And then once it say hot, I'm going to go in with a couple of teaspoons of my olive oil. Because what I want to do, I want to try to sear my chicken first. We're going to take it breast down, about 4 minutes on the breast. And then we're going to flip it over about 4 minutes on the back. And then we just add in a little bit of chicken broth, which I don't have out yet, but I do have some. So guys, while that's saying, wait for that to say hot, I'm gonna show you guys my chicken right here. This is my chicken. I pat dried it down. It's a lot of hands. So this is my seasoning that I have on here, all my go-to seasonings. And I'm just gonna rub all over this chicken, guys. Like I'm putting lotion on here. You're going to see more of my hands than anything. The kids waiting for me. This should take about 25 minutes in this rotisserie. I just want to make sure it's well seasoned. Okay, that's well seasoned. Let me get my hands together while we saying wait for that to come on. It's already on. We wait for it to say hot. And I'm going to pour my oil in. And we'll be right back. Okay, guys. We back. You see it say hot. See right here? It say hot. That's what I wanted. That took about 5 minutes for that to say hot. I'm going in with a couple of tablespoons of oil. I'm going to shake it around because it tends to go to the side a little. See? It doesn't stay in the middle. The oil goes to the side. So I just want to move the pot around so I can get some of that oil. Look, I'm doing this by myself, guys. So I get some of that oil in the center of that. Okay. Back down you go. I'm taking my chicken that's been seasoned. I'm going to put it in there. Breast down. That went in there, breast down, guys. Let me wipe my hands real quick. And I smell it. So it's sauteed. I'm going to do 4 minutes on this side to get it a little crisp. Flip it over. And while it's over, that's what I want to do. before I flip it. I'll sprinkle this back with a little bit of seasoning. Go in and rub that all in there. Look at that, look at that, look at that. Press down to get it crisp. Come back, flip it over 4 minutes, back down, and then I'm gonna show you guys the end results. This thing is gonna be tough to flip. It's been about 4 minutes. I'm grabbing it with my tongue. Ooh, yes, it's gonna be tough to flip. Ooh, but look at that. That's how you want it. Look at that crispiness. And I'm gonna let it be 4 minutes on this side, and then I'm gonna add in, not the whole can. If this whole can is 1 cup, then this whole can. But I'm gonna measure it out to 1 cup, and then I'm just gonna let it cook for 25 minutes. But I'm gonna show you guys that. We're gonna do 4 minutes on this, and we're gonna be right back. Okay, Soul Squad, we're back. It's been 4 minutes. I'm gonna go in with 1 cup of chicken broth. Just because this already had some juices from the chicken and the water. And I already have my thing on sealed. Make sure it's already on sealed, not on ventilated. See, like this, that means it's open. This way, that means it's closed. So I'm gonna lock it in place. I don't know. It's my first time using it. Okay. Just what they about filming. Okay.
Follow these.
Yes, it's a blooper, right?
Yeah, we're not gonna edit it. They gonna do it.
Oh, there you go. Yes! I did it. Okay. So now we're gonna go with poetry. I don't have on my glasses. Which one of these things read poetry? I believe it's this one right here. I'm gonna push that. Now I'm setting it up to 25 minutes. And that's it. Cook for 25 minutes, and yeah, we'll be back in 25 minutes. Okay, Soul Squad, it's been 25 minutes, guys, and as you can tell, this say off, OFF. Now, upon reading this, there's so many different ways that you can release the pressure on this. This was, when I did my research, it was for like a 4.5 pound chicken. And it was like 25 minutes. This was a 6 pound chicken. So I'm thinking that I need to open it up and do a quick release. They said you can do a countdown release on here. I'm gonna do the quick release by opening the valve up. And this is the, I'm gonna turn it around. By releasing the steam, I'm gonna show you guys. I guess things supposed to come out. I might have used this thing wrong. I think that's what I did, but I don't see any steam coming out. You guys see anything? So let's see what happens. You know what? I don't even think this thing is on here right. I might have used this thing wrong, you guys, because it don't look like it's down right. It smells good. Look at it. It smells good. That's what it's supposed to look like. But I don't think I had it clipped. And since this was a bigger chicken, I'm going to go. Yeah, I'm recording, guys. I don't think I had it on here right. I really don't. They look good. I think I want to do another. You know what? I didn't have this thing on right. It's on right now. I didn't have this down right. And the valve just closed. It just clipped down. So I'm gonna go back to, I want to make sure this thing is cooked. I did 25 minutes, and I did it for a 4.5 pound bird. You see it's blinking, but I'm gonna add another 10 minutes on here just to make sure that it's cooked. So altogether, this is a 6-pound bird. 25, 30, 35, 40. I think it needs about 40 minutes to cook. I don't want to overdo it. Guys, this is my first time using it, but practice makes perfect. And we're going to see how this come out with this 6-pound chicken. I'm going to hit poetry. It's already at 15 minutes, so we're going to go down. So I said I want to do 10 minutes. And then that's it. We're going to let it do what it do. I didn't have it clicked on like the first time. It did cook. It did do something, but it didn't get that steam in it. So I hear it beeping. Let's let it cook for this 10 minutes, and we're going to see. You know, we got to do it all the time. They're going to be 40 minutes top. 6-pound chicken. Let's see. Guys, look. I came back just in time, so squad. And why y'all ain't called me out on my math? I know y'all are. So 25 plus 10 more is 35 minutes. See, I don't want to be the people's like, she can't even count. Yes, she can. She just anxious about using this thing. No. I'm anxious about using it. Somebody's on a countdown. It went up one. Let me see what's it on. Oh, I'm on a keep warm mode, so I missed the off, so it's doing the automatic thing. Oh yeah, because guess what, guys? It's popped up. The seal been popped up. So that means I can vent it. Ah! That's what I wanted the first time. I think I did it. And you just let that go. That's what I wanted the first time. That's what I wanted the first time. Oh, and it smells amazing. It smells so good. So basically, we just let it go until the venting is releasing the pressure. Practice makes perfect. I guess I could cancel the am I hating y'all way? I'm sorry. Cause it was on keeping warm. So I'm gonna hit cancel that. Since I didn't hear it, and I'm telling you, you gotta really, really listen, because I didn't hear it when that 10 minutes went off. And that's why when I came over, it was doing a countdown. But I don't know if you guys can still see. It's still steaming on. See the steam still coming out? So once that stops, I've been cooking guys some sweat. Oh, see? Now I can let go. See how the it went back down this side? That means I can open it up. It went back down. So, ooh, that's hot. Now this is a crazy video. Ooh. Look at this chicken. I'm gonna move my top to the side. So the chicken smells so good. Look at that. Since I like a crispy chicken, what I'm going to do is that, let me see that guys. So since I like a crispy chicken, I'm going to put this in a pot, in a pan, an oven pan, place it in the oven on 400 and let it get crispy on top. Not even 400, because what I saw Richard said put it in the boiler. So I'm gonna put my oven on boil, on a high boil. Was it B-O-I-L? A high boil, and let it. Oh, it's a broil. I know I'm all on B-R-I-O-L. Okay, it's a broil. I can't pronounce it. Okay. This is my first time using this, so guys, you along my journey. It looks good. It really do looks good. It's in dark outside. Okay. It looks done. It cooked well. But y'all hear Jackson making all that noise. But I'm gonna place it in the oven on broil, on high, and see what happens. I want to get it crisp. Look, I placed it in the skillet. I'm about to put it in the oven on high, on broil, because it's done. It's really done. Look how the legs fell off and breaking apart on here. Look in the inside of this chicken. There's no pink. Look in the inside of there. So I just want a crisp on it. And the crisp is what I'm gonna get it, guys. In the oven right now. So guys, so guess what? I took it out the chicken. Let me get y'all get a close-up shot. Look. If you wanted to get that crispiness like that, and I took the juices that was in the crock pot. Look, I said I'm taking this to crock pot that's in the Instant Pot, and just put it all over top of there because I like crispy chicken. I don't like a I just can't get down with the with no skin on the chicken, guys. So how did that look for you guys? That's the Instant Pot end results. Yeah. My first time using this Instant Pot. Won't be my last time. I'll do more and more recipes. Most definitely going to do that pulled pork in a couple of weeks. Maybe some ribs. You know, you do pulled ribs. I don't know. The possibility may be endless. I don't know. I'm going to do some research on it because it is summertime. And yeah, so this is my roasted chicken. Guys, I hope you give this video 10,000 likes. Let's get the deal to 10,000 likes, guys. Every time you watch it, like it. I don't think I did anything wrong. Again, practice makes perfect. I had a little bit of bumps and stuff with the machine, but yeah. But at the end, the chicken. Hey, I'm making a video. Jeez, I'm sorry. The chicken came out good, and we're gonna do a mukbang for it. Yeah. So go to my mukbang channel, SoulfulT Mukbang, and let's see us eat this chicken and let's decide. But they'll eat it besides, not me. I'm out. Love you guys. Until next time, like, share, and subscribe. So this is most definitely gonna be his. And I'm just gonna let it soften up for everybody else. That's it. This is for me.